Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to connect Exness to MetaTrader 5. This tutorial will be very straightforward and easy. You will just have to follow these steps that I will show you on the screen. So let's get straight into it. So first, just open your Exness account on your phone and then go to details here. After that, you will find this page with fonts and settings. You will just have to click on settings. Now here you will have these two informations which are the most important. So just go to server and then here you will find this address Exness MT5 trial 9. So just copy it. The server might change for you. So just copy it and then here go back to your MetaTrader 5 app and then go to settings. And here after settings go to new account and here in enter company or server name just click on it and then paste the Exness MT5 try or whatever and then click on search. After that you will find this Exness Technologies Limited, so click on it and here you will find yourself on this page. You will have to fill out this form with the login and password. For the login, you'll just have to go back to your Exness app and then go to this login and copy it here and then paste it and enter your password and you will be good. So of course I won't show the password on the video, but you just have to enter the password here and then you will be good. Your account will be open. So that was it guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.